and welcome to ZDNet. Okay, so today I want to share with you one of my favorite things in my home right now. It's Eufy's new Edge security system. This is a bundle that was just launched a couple weeks ago, and it includes two of the company's new cameras, the EufyCam 3 and the brand new HomeBase 3. Now, I already love Eufy for home security and many other things around my house, mainly because it's a brand that offers some really high quality devices that also don't require a monthly subscription to actually use them, and this set right here is no exception. So in my house, I already had the HomeBase 2, a Eufy video doorbell, as well as some motion sensors and a keypad. This set though brings it to a whole new level. Now, I only got this a few days ago, so I'm not going to go into a full review of it just yet, but I did want to share with you guys what it looks like and what it's about. So the set comes with two of the new EufyCam 3. They're bullet-shaped, completely wireless outdoor cameras. These are your set it and forget it cameras that go outside your home and you don't ever have to worry about charging them or replacing batteries. The built-in solar panel at the top makes for forever power. Now, I can't speak for battery life just yet. I've had them up for almost a week now on an initial charge, and they've stayed at 100%. Eufy does say, though, that only 2 hours of daily sunlight is enough to maintain forever power, so we'll see how that holds up this winter. The cameras are also 4K resolution, so the picture is clear and it covers a large area of our property. And they also have a spotlight that can come on when motion is detected at night and can be adjusted in brightness. At night, you can choose color vision or infrared. Either way, the picture has always been pretty clear in both day and night settings for me. The biggest and best feature of this though is that you don't ever have to pay any monthly fees to view, save, or share your videos, and I for one love that. I'm the type to think, I already pay for the camera, so why do I also have to pay to use it? It just doesn't make sense in my frugal mind. The HomeBase 3 features technology as groundbreaking as the cameras. It employs BionicMind AI to detect not only motion, but determine if it's human, a vehicle, or an animal, and then it goes several steps forwards to intelligently recognize and identify different people. The HomeBase 3, which you can see right here next to my HomeBase 2, is where it's at, literally. This hub saves your camera's video recordings locally with 16 gigs of built-in storage that is expandable with an external hard drive. So the cameras will capture the video outside, it'll send it immediately to your HomeBase 3, which will save it locally inside of it. No subscriptions, no need to pay for cloud services or anything. It's always going to be inside your home with you. The HomeBase 3 works as a chime with compatible Eufy doorbells and also as an alarm when your system is armed. In case you can't tell, I am super excited about this product, and I'm really looking forward to showing you a full review of it in the coming weeks. Thank you so much for watching.